This is for Johnny Monroe. This is my Session 8 parallel project using XML. Oh, I can't get it to open. Okay. I'm opening my XML file. I didn't have 10 items. I only had 5, so I'm doing the 5 that I have. I have the product is data entry, the price of it, what's the purpose of it, and the requirement for that particular item, which is 5 hours. For data conversion, it's 5 hours. And for document conversion, it's a flat fee per document. And OCR cleanup is a minimum of 5 hours. And reports are a flat fee per report. Now I'm opening my data specialists with DDT or DTD.xml. And it basically shows the same thing. This is the document, data specialist services with DTD.DTD. So I'm opening the DTD file. You've got the data. You've got the name of the product, the price, what it does, and what it requires. And then the CSS file, which tells you the background colors and the placing of the data, the name, the pricing, the description. And then I think from here, no, my. Can't get it to open. Oh, lovely. File open, come on. Open file. And there's what it looks like when you run it on Internet Explorer. It shows the services, what the service is, the dollar amount, what it does, and the requirements.